to be found, but I keep looking for it.